Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here the ringtone volume panel, and now just to unmute your device ringtone, we should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, so by this way. Also, I have the second way how we can do that, just by press up or down volume button on the right side of our device. That doesn't matter, so press the button, and after that click here on the settings icon, and you'll quickly launch the same sound settings, and you can also unmute your device ringtone by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.